on, everybody? It's your boy Michael Nance, and I'm back again with a video to just give you guys some more value. I know I've been gone for a while, and honestly, I didn't think I would be able to keep doing this. I thought that maybe I could just go to school and work, and I just kept falling into that, and I was starting to go down the wrong path and hang around with the wrong people. But now I'm back again. I'm on my grind this time. I'm back trying to create more content for you guys to learn, for y'all to understand about how to make money. All right, I want y'all to understand how to make money online because I think it's very important to have a second income stream. Like right now, I work at a marketing job. Of course, a marketing job, but it's like an internship a little bit, but I'm getting paid. But anyways, I just want to get straight into this video and bring some more content back to you guys. All right. So today I'm here to discuss about the different affiliate programs to make money online. And on this site, this is my website that I created recently. And I have it's about a couple blogs I have on there right now. And I want to give you guys access to this website to start getting free value. It's free value. So this is one blog article, but I'm here to discuss it with you guys on here on YouTube. So here, let's just scroll down to see what this article is about. I'm not going to read all this. I'm just going to get to the main key information. Y'all can come back to read all of this onto my website. All right, so here are some of the best affiliate programs for investment platforms. So if you're in the investment niche and you want to create content, of course, on YouTube, here are some great sites for you guys to check out to have a commission. Like you see, some of these $50 per lead, $100 per sign up, $100 per lead. Like, this is pretty good. 25% revenue share or $400 DCPA. Honestly, I don't know what DCPA means, but that sounds all right. And here we have the best affiliate programs for web services. So, like, for instance, everybody who's on the web, who has a blog, this is what you would basically. You have Bluehost, $65 per sale. That's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. A2 hosting, $85 to $140 per sale. Liquid Web, $1,500 per sale. Wow. $50 per sign up with Nestify. And of course, y'all can come back and read some more. But here, HostGator, popular one, $50 to $125 per sale. Yeah, you see. Next, let's go to best affiliate marketing programs for travel bookings. So in case you're in the travel niche, and also I see if you have an Instagram account, you could definitely implement these affiliate platforms these companies in their affiliate program to make some money. So I know a lot of people who probably do this. Like I know TripAdvisor, 50% commission going to the site, 65% to 75% commission with cheap flights, and these are big name companies. So I'm letting y'all look through. Y'all can obviously come back to the website, and the website is www.michaelsmoneymethods.com. The best affiliate programs for social media management. Now, this is big for social media. Anybody who uses social media, and you want to get them onto an affiliate program. And you get, so here, you got Social Report, Hootsuite, 15% commission, and Some of these I don't really know. I just got the information to be able to post onto my website. Now here's the affiliate programs for e-courses. Teachable, Academy, Mine, think Shaw Academy. So there's some big name platforms to use for wanting to build e-course. Refer somebody to, because e-courses courses are just big. For everybody wants to learn, and everybody's trying to teach a skill or knowledge with courses. So refer to somebody to Teachable. You get 30% recurring commissions, and some of these 10% to 20% recurring commissions. Best affiliate programs for phone and live chat support solutions. So live chat 20%, so on, so on. A lot of them are 20, 25%, 30%. Now affiliate programs for stock and graphics and video. Shutterstock, Getty Images. So 20 to 10%. That's not bad. Email marketing, of course. Aweber, 30%. MailGen, 50 to % sign up. I don't know. I was trying to read, so it was 52. ConvertKit, SendLane, around 30% range, so for 25% there. Best affiliate marketing programs for cloud storage. Wow, $120 per paid account. That's pretty good. Lotto Marketplace, 30% of all sales. So you see, this is pretty good commissions. And here I'm sharing with you all, and we're not even finished throughout the rest of the blog. Because you can see here, there's more. In case if y'all want to go and check this out, the rest, and don't want to hear me talk, just go to www.michaelsmoneymethods.com. Fire themes, plugin themes, 50% off of WordPress themes. Best affiliate marketing networks. I have them listed here: Flex offers, ClickBank, ShareSale, JVZoo, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Share. Best affiliate programs for online shopping. Amazon Associates. It's obviously Amazon Associates is big. Like everybody uses Amazon, so why not refer somebody to a product that they know and trust? So, anyways, that's the end of this video. I want y'all to check out my blog that I have going on. I have a lot more key value information on here about making money online, and the best jobs for making money online, legitimate ways to make money online. I go on so much detail about how you can make money online and how it's not. I honestly not going to sugarcoat it and say it's easy. I'm just telling you straight up information on how you can use on your own to go ahead and try it out and implement these tips that I'm providing for you. So, without further ado, guys, stay tuned. I'm bringing more videos out more. I promise. All right. Catch y'all soon. Peace out.